What is poppin', y'all? Caramel Rosés in the building, and as you can see by the title, this is my first time putting on a wig. This is what I'm gonna try to put on my head. So I've been watching a bunch of videos trying to figure out what to do because I have no tools. All I have is my head, a wig cap, and the wig. So there's going to be nothing included here, no glue, no nothing like that. I don't know what else you would need, but like I don't have any of those things. So that's what this is gonna be. If you think that you have to know what you're doing, you don't. Like, I faked it. I feel like this looks crazy. This is disrespectful. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to do something I've never done before, which is attempt to install a wig. So a wig was sent to me. I'll insert a clip of what it looks like when I purchased it out the box. I decided to wash it. I don't know if I was supposed to do that or what. I don't know what you're supposed to do when you get wigs, but I felt like washing it because like it's going on my head. So I washed it, and now this is her. I mean, it's pretty close to what like my curl pattern is when my hair is long. So people would definitely believe me if I did this correctly. This is what I'm gonna try to put on my head. Okay. So I've been watching a bunch of videos trying to figure out what to do because I have no tools. All I have is my head, a wig cap, and the wig. So there's going to be nothing included here, no glue, no nothing like that. I don't know what else you would need, but like I don't have any of those things. So that's what this is gonna be. So my biggest task is trying to figure out how to flatten my hair so that it will fit under this wig without doing much work, because I will never cornrow my hair. You'll never see that. You'll never see me physically cornrowing my own hair. It's a skill I don't have. I'm not gonna do it. I'm also extremely lazy, and I'm also like it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm also not even gonna wear this forever. I'm gonna wear this to put it on and take it off. So my goal here is to install or put on. Install, do you guys understand how crazy that sounds? That sounds like I require a degree to do. Like, we're gonna see what's the best way to flatten my hair in a lazy way of I'm scrambling and I need to throw a wig on my head and get going, because that sounds accurate to my life. Here we go. See what we're working with. I'll show y'all what my real hair looks like, but right now it's been in a bun all week, so this is what it looks like right now. This is what we're working with. In all the videos I saw, they cut this piece out, so I'm gonna do that. I also have nothing to hold her on, so I'm just gonna guess. I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna have to do. Like I was saying, she has a middle part. So I'm gonna also put a middle part. Maybe that'll help things blend in. And what I've seen a lot of people with curly hair do, who are lazy like myself, can't cornrow or just want to cornrow, they've been putting it in a super low slick back bun. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that route. I normally use like a pomade or edge control, but I don't want to waste those right now. But those are what I prefer for holding my hair. So because I don't want to waste it, I'm going to use something I never use, which is this gel. So here we are. Nothing against this, but I only use black owned products now, so like anything that's not black owned in my hair collection, just I don't use it. It gets neglected. Okay. See, this gel doesn't do anything for anybody. Like, so what I've seen them do is basically wrap it around itself to create a flat bun. Thankfully my hair is short right now, so it might actually be easy for me to do that without doing a lot of work. So I'm literally just gonna take little pieces and wrap it around itself. That's kind of out there, but I'm gonna try and put the wig cap on anyways and see if it's kind of flat. I'm gonna try and get this on. Do people go backwards first? I guess that would make sense, right? So I'll leave the house like this. Well, on the inside there's a bunch of these clips, so there's 3 of them, 2 at the sides, 1 at the bottom. There is also a band looking thing. Now I'm gonna try and put it on. I don't know how to, so let's see what makes sense. I'll put it inside out and then I'll flip it over somehow. Okay, this is where these side clips come in. Jesus Christ. So I have no idea how this looks properly, like for real, because I can't see. But I feel like I should have cut more, right? Am I wrong? I don't. Or is that the wig cap? Or is that my forehead? Oh, it's the wig cap. Let me move it a little. See if that makes a difference. Well, she's on. I'll tell you guys that much. Does it look like you can see my bun? I don't know. I don't even know how to work it. Honestly, let me get a headband. I swear to God, I leave the house like this. People do that, right? Mm-hmm. I'm leaving the house just like this. These are my real edges. No, it's not. I think from far I look great, so that's as much as people are gonna see me anyways. You know what this look reminds me of? When Raven was Sunshine.
Hello, I'm Sunshine.
Sent this to the wrong one. I'm leaving my house like this tomorrow. No problems. It can even fly off my head for all I care. You can tie it like this. Okay, so I didn't tie it properly. Obviously, that's a given. But if I'm in a rush and I just need to throw something on and go, this is perfect. It actually feels so secure on my head. Like it's literally, so you're not going nowhere. It's actually not going anywhere. And I don't think it's popping out of the back, so. Who said I really needed to learn how to install a wig properly? Whoever said that? If you think that you have to know what you're doing, you don't. Like, I faked it. I keep touching it and it keeps getting ruined. So yeah, that's really that on that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And shoot, I'll catch you in the next video. Like, whatever that's gonna be, I'll catch you there.